What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode with Mom and Papa Joe. It's the start of the NFL season, and I know you've got those game day menus prepped, but we're going to give you something a little different. Let's do some chicken wings and some ribs on the rotisserie. Check this out. Got a pretty nice rack of ribs, nothing special. We're just going to do a little cleanup, remove the membrane. We've rinsed and dried this already. Folks, I've never put one of these on the rotisserie before, so this ought to be pretty interesting. My center mark, I don't want that big S-curve I often see, so I'm not going to pierce it. I'm not going to skewer it in the center. I'm only going to skewer it on the ends, and we'll see how that works. Let's put a little hole right there, and one right here. But I'm also going to tie it right here in the middle with a little steel wire to prevent that S-curve. Let's see if we're going to. Got a little steel wire right here. Let's see if we can't pass that through. All right, and then we just twist. Just want to make sure we're tight. Very simple seasoning today, folks. Some 16 mesh and a little garlic jalapeno. A little black pepper first. And some heat riles. You really want to put it on there. A lot is going to come off as this begins to render and roll around. Oops. Black pepper first. And my heat riles. All right, we're going to call that good. Let's get a little cleanup, and we're going to head outside. Our fire is ready. We're going to come on with our ring. I'm going to drop 2 small pieces of cherry, 1 in each basket. Get our motor on. Let's see how balanced we are. I think that'll work right there. Folks, I'm thinking this might take 1.5 hours to 2 hours. And let's get this cover on. We don't want this heat to go crazy. We'll come back out here in about ½ an hour and make sure we're not cremating anything. Let's get these chicken wings seasoned. I did not split them today. Got plenty of moisture on there. They've been rinsed. And we're going to be going with 16 mesh, my boy Big Rome's sazon, and just a little complete season for some herbs. A little bardia. Not a whole lot of salt in this body, so feel free. 16 mesh. I love that for the visual. And we're going to be dipping these wings in a little bit of a different sauce than you're used to seeing. Something with a little Asian theme to it, man. You'll see that shortly when we make it. Some sazon. And I think that's going to do us. Mark with our rack. All right, then we're going to head outside and get this Traeger cranked up. Our Traeger is preheated to 400 degrees, folks. We are running that awesome smoking pecan pellets. Even at this 400 degree temperature, this is going to smoke and really flavor these wings. You have to check this out. If you haven't bought this yet, folks, you want to. Even if it's only for a special occasion, this is going to get it done. Holidays are coming up. You need this. Check out our links in the description box for an awesome discount. Help us out. We're just going to drop them right here on this rack, folks. And we'll be back out here in about, give or take, 25 minutes or so for a flip. All right, let's get this sauce together, folks. This is going to be an awesome dipping sauce. We've got a couple of limes. We want some fresh lime juice, garlic, as much as you want or as little as you want, jalapeno or any pepper of your choice, 1 shallot, and some cilantro. I'll get this chopped up off camera. This is a 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice, 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Not going to put any other ingredients until I get this brown sugar broken down. Then we're coming back with 1/4 cup or as much shallot or as little as you want. That one jalapeno, all these are finely diced. I took the seeds out of the jalapeno. You can leave them in. A quarter cup of this cilantro and our couple of cloves of garlic finely minced. The earlier you can do this, as usual, folks, the better it's going to be. Overnight would be great. I mean, I can just imagine this overnight. It'll be delicious because it tastes great right now. We're almost at an hour. Let's take a look, see what our ribs are doing. I looked at these at 30 minutes and nothing was happening, so didn't want to waste your time. But man, they are looking beautiful. I think I had the right amount of coals in there. They're dying right now. It's going to be more than enough, I think, to finish this cook. Let's go. We're looking maybe another half hour. I'll get a temp check or a field check. 30 minutes. That skin is bubbling. Just going to do a quick flip. And we're looking at another 25 to 30 minutes or so. We're not doing any saucing or anything. 55 minutes, folks. Oh, man, we are looking good. These are some pretty large wings. So I may give this another 5-10 minutes max. I think I timed this pretty well between the ribs and this chicken. Let's take a look at the ribs. Let's see where we are on this thick side. 203, and we're feeling pretty good across the board. 205, 206. I don't really temp ribs. I'm just checking for tenderness, but they're pushing 205. I'll give these another, give or take 10 minutes or so, and they're coming off as well. All right, folks, we're at 1 hour and 5 minutes. Let's get this chicken off of here. Oh, yes, sir. Woo-wee. Look at those juices bubbling, man. Oh, yeah. They feel great. All right, this is about 1 hour and 40 minutes. Folks, we've given this about 10 minutes to relax, man. And, man, I really love the idea of not having those big S curves. Feels pretty good. Folks, I can tell you this is not going to have the texture of a smoked rib. And we even with all that heat, we did get a smoke ring. Folks, I've just got to get just one quick bite. Oh. I lied too. Wow. Sweet, a little salt, tangy, spicy. This has got everything in it. Umami from that fish sauce. Wow. Let's give this chicken a shot. Oh, come out of there. Oh, don't go anywhere. Do not go anywhere. Folks, I'm here to tell you that dipping sauce on chicken and ribs, off the charts good. I'll be making this again, man. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Mom and I are getting ready to sit down and have an early dinner. We want to thank you guys and gals as usual for hanging out with us, man. We really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. And as always, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla.